Can you see yourself in the 2023 Chevrolet Trailblazer? This cleverly crafted Trailblazer delivers convenience, comfort, and style in a fresh, modern package. Fold-flat seats let you make the most of this small SUV's surprisingly spacious interior. And you'll enjoy the journey more than ever before thanks to connected touchscreen infotainment and driver assist safety tech. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, touchscreen infotainment system, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, keyless entry, hands-free liftgate, backup camera, remote engine start, heated mirrors. Elevate your daily drive in this boldly styled Trailblazer. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.